This is a pair. I don't know whether they are building a nest or just looking for insects on the branch. This one goes there. Slowly go towards that hole in the branch. They have been doing this for almost like I'm observing them for last 1 year at least. Just keep digging. I don't know what. Maybe they are trying to sort of build a nest or just look for insects. Beautiful to watch them. This is a shot on Canon R6 Mark II with 800 f11 lens. Lots of sunbirds around today. This is their time. Sun becomes a little strong, they come out. It's a male sparrow taking a dust bath here. Really cute. This is the Asian green beater. These are good birds because they'll sit in a place for a while and then they go catch something, come back. More often than not in the same area, they come back, same branch. Oops, 3 birds in one frame. Totally different birds. Bulbul left. Usually does not happen. The birds of different feathers don't do this usually. Oh, it has got a bee. Nice. Is it a bee? I think it is. This goes on whole day. Keep catching them. Done with the bee. So the bee eaters are active now. Again a beautiful bird, but this time of the year I get them a lot here. There is a big bee hive, one of the trees here. That is the reason why these guys are sticking around. Just in case you are wondering why I am not moving at all, I am shooting this from the window of my room. And on a lens that is a prime, which I can't zoom in. Despite that, I get so many birds here every day. I like this game, trying to find them with such a narrow field of view and then manually focusing. Keep some excitement in the process. What do we have here? This. Oops. So difficult to chase them around. Is it a tailor bird? I believe it is a tailor bird. That is a tailor bird, I think. Extremely active birds. Constantly moving around. We have another sunbird here. I don't know what tree is that, but they like the flowers here. These are cute birds, but they are so common. Get them a lot here. I think I hear a Iora. Very, shy birds. Don't come out easily. Keep looking for them. There it is. I hope you can see it. Yeah, that is the Iora. I hope I get it in focus. Stay. Very small, very shy bird. Very low. Lost it. Oh. It's a golden video. For some reason, these bulbuls don't like the Orioles. I don't know why. Every time I see one here, bulbuls chase them away. Is it sitting there? No. It's one right there. Found it finally. So small and so fast, it's impossible to catch them. Also, this lens has a very, very narrow field of view. It's 800 f11. That makes it very difficult to find these birds. Set focus, press record. Takes a lot of practice. But when you get the shot, it is beautiful actually. These birds, most probably the bulbuls, red vented bulbuls. Pretty common in this area. This is a pair. But what bird? Is it a white throat? I think so. I think they are white throats. Find out later using Merlin. I'm using manual focus, by the way. Canon R6 Mark II RF 800 f11 lens. It's a budget monster. What is this? So, was that a sunbird? It's a house sparrow. Alright. I just went to drop my son for his cricket match and I found a shikra. Usually they are up in the trees or buildings, but this one was sitting on a branch on the ground. Surprising. I'll share the footage and I'll take your leave for today.